Welcome, beautiful soul. You are here because you are walking one of the most courageous, hope-filled journeys, the path of IVF pregnancy. Today on Diaper Days, we invite you to take a moment just for you, to breathe, to ground yourself, and to lovingly connect with the precious life blossoming inside you. Find a quiet, cozy place. Sit or lie down comfortably. Let your hands rest gently on your belly or over your heart. Slowly close your eyes if that feels right for you. Take a deep, cleansing breath in and gently, slowly exhale. Again, inhale calm, peace, and hope. And exhale tension, fear, and worry. With each breath, feel your body relax, your shoulders melting downward, your jaw unclenching, your heartbeat settling into a peaceful rhythm. Remember, this IVF journey you're on is a testament to your strength. You have overcome so much to stand in this moment. You are brave. You are worthy. You are exactly where you need to be, right here, right now. Bring your awareness now to your womb, this sacred, miraculous space. Visualize your baby, small, delicate, yet full of potential and possibility. Send love there. Imagine a golden, warm light flowing from your heart into your womb, wrapping your baby in comfort, protection, and unconditional love. As you breathe, silently or softly, whisper these affirmations to yourself. I am safe. I trust my body. I trust my baby's journey. Each day I grow stronger and more connected. I am enough. I am whole. Feel these words settle into your heart. Like the warm sun resting gently on your skin. Remember, dearest one, you are not alone. You are surrounded by love, by hope, and by a beautiful community of women walking this path with you. Even when doubts or fears arise, you can return here. Return to your breath, to your calm, to the deep, powerful knowing within. You are doing beautifully. You are enough. You are radiant. When you feel ready, softly wiggle your fingers, your toes. Feel the ground beneath you. Take one final, nourishing breath in and gently release it. When you open your eyes, carry this peace, this light, this quiet strength with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for sharing this sacred moment with us on Diaper Days. If this meditation brought you comfort, please like, subscribe, and come back anytime you need. A gentle reminder that you are not walking this path alone. We are here with you, always.